Hey, what's up YouTube? Another video of first impression of a knife I purchased. This one came from NC Knives. I already opened the packaging, but I didn't take anything out. Oh, I'm sorry. It's actually from NC Blades. It's kind of cool. Got some lip balm. That's actually kind of cool. Thank you. Here's the custom knife factory. And what else we have here? Oh, nerd. Kind of cool. The little thing in here. That's nice. That's really nice. I like seeing stuff like that. All right, let's put this aside. Sorry, I'm in my garage. Don't have a camera stand. But here we go. That is the custom knife factory case. I forgot the model of the knife that I purchased. It's like no or something like that. Oh, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll put it in the description. All right. So if you guys need to get in touch with them, that's an Instagram, eBay, Amazon website, and private. Actually, that's nice. Private Facebook group. That's awesome. Oh, there's some other stuff in here. Okay, that's from. That's nice. You get a little sticker. It's kind of cool. I like receiving stuff like this. Well, that's from Custom Knife Factory. All right. So it's UMMU. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct. That's the designer, blade steel. The M390, or maybe I think it's M390 or diamond steel. Okay, so cool. As usual, they give out spare parts. That's in that bag. I do like this case. It's kind of nice. It's in this. It's a nice little case. Feels good. Feels like quality. Okay. Microfiber. Does it have their logo on it? Yes, it does. That's their logo. All right. Let me just kind of difficult using one hand. There it is. Put this aside. God, they don't make any of this easy, huh? Actually, I don't need this plastic bag. I'm just gonna there. Rip it apart. So if my memory serves this correctly, it's a titanium scales, titanium backspacer. Timasys or I don't know if I think they're the same thing. Mukotai, Timasys. Clip. That's kind of cool. I like that. Steel insert on the lock bar. I like that. It's not a deep carry. It does have a lanyard hole if you guys prefer to use lanyards on your folding knife. That is the flipper. That's the pivot. That's kind of nice. I do like this. Hold on, let me switch hands for a second. Feels good. I don't feel any sharp edges on here. Everything's smoothed out, chamfered. Do like it. It looks nice. I do like this pattern. It's kind of grippy, but not like overly grippy. It feels nice. This flipper is not bad at all. Okay, I'm kind of digging this. Let's see the action. Smooth. Ooh. I think it's like blasted. I mean, like, I don't know what kind of glass blasted, bead blasted, and then like a satin belt finish on the blade. Nice. Nice. From visually looking at it, it looks like a flat ground. I do like this. It's pretty nice. There's some milling on the inside to lighten it up. It fits my, I don't have the biggest hands, but it fits my hand really well. The pocket clip is fine. It doesn't bother me when I want to get a good purchase on it. There's some jimping on top of the blade. I really like this. Feels nice. Actually, it doesn't feel heavy. It's nice. Let's see the action on this. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's pretty smooth. Very smooth. Yeah. That's very, very nice. Let's show you the clip right there. I think all the hardware is titanium, pretty sure. Wow, this is a really nice piece. Damn, I don't have anything to show you guys the size comparison, but here. One I have on me right here is the ZircuTi, and if you look at it, it's larger than the ZircuTi. The blade is a little bit longer. Thickness wise, let me see if I can get this. It's actually thinner. Oh, I do like this. But man, it's my first custom knife factory knife, and I do like this. Let me see. I think so. It's an M390 blade steel, and I believe that there's a 200 of these made. This is 103. Small branding right there, which I don't mind. Wow, this is really nice. So I think these are sold out. You might be able to find it somewhere else. I'm pretty impressed on first impressions. After I carry it and use it for a while, I'll let you guys know how I really feel about it. But I'm pretty impressed. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.